So I create content on Instagram. So this is a camera. So I'm doing this segment for my YouTube and Instagram. If you are free, can I have 5 minutes of your time?
Yeah, sure.
So what's your name?
I'm Sneha.
Sneha, Rohan. So nice. And
So I have to look there.
you can look either in the phone or. Hi Lavanya.
Sneha.
Okay.
She's Lavanya.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So Sneha.
Sneha.
Hi Sneha.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. And thank you so much for agreeing for my video. So you come here regularly?
Sometimes, maybe weekends, every weekends.
So what do you like here?
I think I like tres leches.
Just, we can order some coffee.
No, that's okay. We are already done, so we are supposed to leave.
Okay, you're supposed to leave. Okay. So no.
He was my second.
Okay. So what made your first relationship like? Why didn't it go well?
That did not go well because he was very possessive.
Okay.
And I think in a relationship you need to have some space.
Mhm.
Like if you're working in a different company, you will have female friends, male friends.
Yeah.
And it doesn't mean that every guy you talk to there is something. So he was overly possessive,
Okay.
and I think that kind of made an end to the relationship. I mean, a lot of other things, but that majorly over possessiveness is what.
Okay,
I
that
didn't-
top the list.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think should a guy do in a relationship to work it out? To make it work out?
I mean, see, there's really nothing much a guy has to do. Maybe he just have to give a little space, understand the girl, listen when she says.
Okay.
And most of the time, I mean, not everybody, but most of the women, they want reassurances like, I am there for you. So what happens? After a certain stage, the relationship the spark kind of goes off. And that's when the real problem starts. And the girl kind of overthinks and she'll be like, you're not giving me time. You don't love me like, how you used to do before. So a guy...
Now you look even more prettier. Acha, okay,
Life,
okay.
can you
Because
please...
how do you think a guy approach to a girl? If he likes her, if you like her, how do you think he should approach?
I don't know about stranger because if I know the guy, if I'm talking to him for some time and so we would know the vibe ki this person likes me. So he can, of course, he would also know if the girl is reciprocating, and you would know that she is also okay with the way I'm talking. I think he can directly go and tell her instead of wasting time. He can just say that he likes her and that's it.
So just imagine you and a guy are like friends. All of a sudden he comes to you and proposes you. What will be your answer?
So if I like him,
Okay.
I would say yes. And
And-
if I just like him as a friend, then he's friend zone.
Boy and girl can be friends.
Of course, I have a lot of guy friends and they are really very good and they take care of me. There were days when I was drunk, I was alone. They dropped me home safe, and I feel safe with them. And nobody ever crossed their lines or they said anything that would make me feel uncomfortable with them. So yeah, the friendship is real.
What do you think about this present dating culture? Call it hookup culture,
Oh,
situationship,
I am far-
benching stuff.
I don't even know some of the terms.
Even I don't know. I'm just
don't
using
even
it.
know what are those. These days I'm googling. I am not a Gen Z, so but yeah, completely different from this hookup culture and all. Very old school.
Okay, thank you. I want to cut you there, and I want you to repeat what you just said about me so that my friend can hear.
Okay, you have to ask the question.
No, if I ask it, she thinks I'm giving you a lead.
Okay, yeah, I actually said he looks good. He has a good smile.
ఎవరికి కాదుతున్నా ఏది మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి అను
నమ్మలేకపోతున్నావు
నమ్మప్పు
సతాయిస్తున్నావా? ఏమడుగుతున్నావు?
అయ్యా am I troubling you? Irritating you?
He's sweet.
ఏం చేసేసినావు రోహన్?
మీసాలు పెంచి తిప్పాలి నెక్స్ట్ సో వాట్ ఎల్స్ ఐఎమ్ స్వీట్ అండ్
You got good smile.
Thank
You're sweet.
Okay.
Yeah. I think there could be more if you talk more, but yeah.
ఈరోజు వర్షం పడుతుందేమో. Don't mind, you're giving nice compliments, but We hearing it for the very first time.
I
Very
know it
first time?
happens with friends. Even my friends cannot take the compliments, I mean, that he gave. So they will also be laughing if he's watching the video. They will be like, oh, he gave compliment to Sneha.
I'm hearing it for the very first time.
నువ్వు వినాలనే మళ్ళీ చెప్పించిన అవును తెలుగునా
We are Telugu, but we are born and brought up in Calcutta.
క్యాల్కటా అరే దసరా వాట్స్ ద వైబ్ ఓవర్ దేర్ ఇన్ దసరా
Dashera is a emotion there.
Mhm.
So it's nothing like how it happens all over the country, but Durga Puja in Kolkata is a different emotion, and to feel that you have to visit one. You have
really
see that
love
in
to go
real
there
life.
someday.
No.
Do guys hit on you?
Yeah.
Not okay. How do you feel?
Sometimes good,
Mm-hmm.
and I just like the guy hitting on me. दूर से दिख रहा है, okay. He likes me, okay, that's it. I don't like, even if he approaches me, I don't mind because we are adults, so I don't really mind. But that shouldn't be very clingy or,
Yeah.
I don't like that. So, दूर से देखा, पसंद आया, okay, fine, that's it.
And also, what a girl should do when she's in a relationship? What are the things she should be considerate about?
The girl, the first thing, I mean, according to my experiences, the girl should think about herself, her career, her ambitions, her looks. She should take care of herself. She should not let somebody else, her happiness on somebody else's hand. That he is there, I'm happy, he's not there, I'm sad. The mood switch should be in her hand, and this took me a while to get this, and that's make a girl happy, and the girl is happy, the relationship is also happy.
What about guy?
Same with the guy.
So, the guy should be self-centered
He should be,
about himself.
So he should be working. He should be working on himself. A lot of guys, they go gym, they play, they do all of that. Do that, and when you get little time, of course, it takes 1 minute to just text or call and say, hey babe, what you doing? That's it. That's what we need. Do not ghost us like for hours and then come back and say sorry, I was busy. You're not that busy, bro. You're not Jeff Bezos.
Yeah. Imagine you're sitting in a cafe alone, and the guy comes and he asks you for a coffee since you are alone, and he asks you, can we have a cup of coffee? I really like you and I want to know about you.
That's fine. There's nothing wrong in that.
So, my personal question: do girls compliment guys?
Yes, of course.
Have you ever?
I can tell you now, you look so good.
Okay.
Of course.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. I don't know how to react to that.
You got pretty smile.
Oh, really? Literally made my day.
Glad I made someone happy.